Dyson V15s Detect Submarine. The only vacuum that works harder than you. Tired of hauling out a vacuum, mop, and bucket just to clean one floor? The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine does it all, vacuums and washes hard floors at the same time. No streaks, no dirty water mess, just fresh, spotless floors with minimal effort. The motorized wet roller scrubs away stains, spills, and grime while continuously extracting dirt for a streak-free finish. Unlike traditional mops that just push dirt around, this vacuum uses fresh water from start to finish, leaving floors cleaner than ever. Save time, effort, and energy, because cleaning shouldn't be harder than it has to be. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a cleaning genius. Equipped with a piezo sensor, the Dyson V15s counts and analyzes dust particles in real time, adjusting suction power automatically. No more guessing if your floors are clean. The LCD screen displays proof of a deep clean, showing the size and amount of dust collected. Whether tackling fine dust or chunky debris, the Digital Motorbar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types effortlessly. Its edge-to-edge full-width brush bar picks up dirt in every corner, leaving no dust bunny behind. Let the vacuum do the thinking, just glide and go. Tangled vacuum rollers are a thing of the past. The hair screw tool effortlessly sucks up pet and long hair without clogging or tangling, making cleaning faster and frustration-free. Say goodbye to manually cutting out hair from your vacuum brush. The 99.99% whole machine filtration system also traps allergens and microscopic dust, so your air stays as fresh as your floors. Whether you have pets, allergies, or just love a truly clean home, this vacuum ensures you're not just removing visible messes, you're eliminating hidden allergens and dust particles too. Breathe better, clean better, live better. Armed with Dyson's hyperdymium motor, this cordless powerhouse delivers 100% more suction power than previous models. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home in one charge, no annoying cords or interruptions. Plus, the intelligent suction adjustment ensures the right power level for each surface, preserving battery life. The submarine wet roller head covers over 1,000 square feet with a single water tank, making deep cleaning easier than ever. When done, just drop it into the wall-mounted dock, and the drip tray keeps your storage area clean. It's cleaning, made effortless. Cheap vacuums break, clog, and leave behind dirt, but the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is built to last. Made with high-quality, durable materials, it's engineered for long-term, hassle-free use. Washable parts make maintenance a breeze, and with a 2-year Dyson warranty, you know you're getting a product designed to perform. Unlike knockoffs, Dyson's cutting-edge technology delivers superior results, powerful suction, deep cleaning, and intelligent adaptability. Investing in this vacuum means saving time, energy, and frustration, so you can enjoy a cleaner home without the struggle. Why settle for less when you can clean like a pro?